Hi everyone, apa khabar? Kejap lagi Raya. Ya, kejap lagi Raya. Kejap lagi, soon. Raya, Festival of Eid. Kejap lagi Raya. Raya is coming soon. I'm Zarina from Malaysia, would like to wish everyone maaf zahir dan batin. Maaf means sorry. Zahir, external. Dan, and. Batin, internal. Maaf zahir dan batin essentially means I'm sorry for all my wrongdoings, intentionally or unintentionally. Don't forget to check out the previous lesson on the detailed list of Raya greetings. With that, take care everyone, and to all Muslims celebrating Eid, have a blessed celebration and don't eat too much. I mean it. Or I mean eat. And as always, don't forget to help the channel grow by subscribing, sharing, clicking like and writing a comment. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa lagi.